How to remove the app icons from the home screen on your iPhone 16 Pro Max. So to remove a app icon, just simply tap and hold on the app icon, and here you will see a option of remove app. So tap on remove app, and then you will see two options: delete app or remove from home screen. So to remove the app icon from the home screen, tap on the second option of remove from home screen, and after that the app icon will be removed from your home screen. Now you will not be able to find it on your home screen. To access that app, you have to open the app gallery, and here go to the search bar and search for the app, and now from here you can open the app. So that's how you can remove the app icon from your home screen on iPhone 16 Pro Max. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.